Hey guys, welcome to another video. We decided to head down to Mornington for this one. It has been a few years since we were last out there, and we just wanted to go check it out, especially for the Main Street Market, which happens every Wednesday. Now the market's been happening for about 40 years now, and it happens rain, hail or shine, and as you can see, it wasn't exactly an ideal weather day, but still there was a lot of activity. So we're going to do a bit of a walking tour, go check out some of the market stalls, some of the local businesses, and then head down to the beach area to see some of those amazing ocean views, so stick around. So Mornington's about 46k southeast of Melbourne, part of the Mornington Peninsula. Originally home to the indigenous Boonwurrung people, and European settlement happened in the 1840s, so it became a major focal point, I guess connection between what is now metropolitan Melbourne and the Mornington Peninsula. This is the Grand Hotel, historical pub here in Mornington. Great pub food, great beer, amazing atmosphere. So if you're into your classic pub fare, definitely check it out.
Aqui está esse
So we've just gotten here at this point, so we decided to head into one of the local bakeries to grab something to eat. So we decided to go into Banjo's Mornington, which is a cool little pie shop, which was actually pretty busy. And just next to the bakery there's this cool little laneway with some pretty groovy shops. That chocolate shop there is great, got a few things there. But mainly we went into the Happy Herb shop, which is always on our list of things to do when we're in this part of town. The great thing about the Main Street Market is that there's all sorts of different stuff. Now they were a bit a bit light on stalls, possibly due to the weather or possibly because it is sort of very early in the year. So I'd imagine a lot of people are still, a lot of the store holders are probably still on holidays, which is understandable. But still, there were quite a few stalls there selling, you know, all sorts of handmade stuff. There were a couple of fruit and veg stalls as well. So yeah, a little bit of something for everyone. So we're just about to head into the beach area, but before we did that, we stopped off at a nice little cafe there on the corner, which is called the Boys for Brekkie. We definitely recommend this one. Always great service. The owner always greets you with a smile. Coffee is amazing, and they got some good, you know, classic cafe breakfast and dining options. We also wanted to go into the museum, which is also another stop that we usually do when we're in Mornington, but unfortunately it was closed today, which was a shame because we really wanted to show you some of that, because there's some great historical artifacts, and you get a real sense of the colonial history of this town. This park is just across the road from Main Street, and it's what connects you to the beach area, which we're just about to head into now. And there's some great ocean views here. It was very windy, so you might catch a bit of that noise. I tried to edit it as best I could, but hopefully it doesn't cause too much of a nuisance. But either way, there's some amazing views here, which I hope you enjoy as much as we did. It's very rocky, and especially on a day like today where the wind was howling, it can be dangerous. So do be mindful if you're going to go and visit this part, especially if you've got young kids. It can be a bit of a dangerous walk if you're not careful. That tall ship you see there is called the Enterprise, and you can actually take a 1-hour trip on it. It takes off from the pier, and it looks like something cool to do. We wanted to, or we thought about it, but it was a bit too windy for us and we didn't want to risk getting seasick. We might try that some other time. So this pier was built in the late 1850s, and it I guess it's what helped Mornington become the major gateway in and out of the Mornington Peninsula for freight and passengers or people who wanted to come down and spend the day here. So we headed back into Main Street, but this time the market was slowly starting to wind down. A few stall holders were still going, but a couple of them were packing up. But as you can see, there was still a few people out and about.
They're good, aren't they?
And some wanting to say hi to the camera. Alright everyone, so this is where the video ends. Just want to say thanks for sticking around. We hope you enjoyed it. We definitely did. Highly recommend you come and check it out for yourself if you get the chance. We'll see you next time on the Explorer's Journal. Thanks for watching.